Hey, it's Andreas. I've been investing for over 10 years, and it's time to make another video on the series on a road to 100k dividend portfolio, where I try to build a portfolio up to 100,000 just to see how quickly I can do it if I have to do it again. It's been about a month since the last video. I had to make another one because we've seen a big gain in the portfolio. I think that the series might be over soon. We're about 2/3 of the way to the goal if we just look at it linearly. But as you know, with money, it's exponential. And if you're 2/3 of the way linearly, you're a lot closer than you actually think. So in September, I've seen a few smaller dividends, nothing large. We have a big dividend coming up from MPW of about $800 on the 10th of October, so definitely looking forward to that. I have been buying some Philip Morris, just set off $200. I was a bit short on cash, so just making small investments for the consistency of it. But buying Philip Morris, comparing it to British American tobacco, and I think they have greater growth potential due to the purchase of Swedish Match, the pearl of the Swedish economy, the Gothia tech factory, all that good stuff. I have a separate video on that, so look at that if you want to see why I prefer Philip Morris to British American tobacco. However, as you see with the total results, we're about 60k something in American, and it's been jumping up quite quickly. This is a result of the large increase in share price of MPW, and I think they're reflecting the real market value closer now, and the risk to reward ratio is not as amazing anymore as when I first bought into the stock. And this has been the case with the REIT sector now. I've been looking, I've been doing a lot of research, and I've been trying to find another good opportunity, but it's been super difficult. And the last holdout, the last resort in terms of REITs that are still cheaply priced, in my opinion, is the office REITs. They are still hated by the market. I recently recorded a video on one very small cap office REIT that I think is a buying opportunity, and I've been adding to that in the dividend portfolio. I will build up a few thousand shares in that one as well, and then when I'm done with that, when that time comes along, I think that the buying opportunity in REITs will be gone and over with. They tend to outperform other assets after a interest rate cut in the year that's coming and in the second year as well. But in terms of just finding those clear home runs, I'm sorry to say that it keeps getting harder and harder, and I think that after I'm able to build a position in that stock, then I will have to start looking at other sectors, perhaps energy, perhaps healthcare. Time will tell. But if I don't find anything that's a clear home run, I will just keep buying some Philip Morris in that case, adding to the portfolio with that. So that's been it, covering the road to 100k. We have some nice dividends to look forward, just small dividends here in September. Why do I keep adding the small amounts to the portfolio, even though it's gotten quite a lot larger now? And you might think that, oh, okay, $200, it's just a drop in the ocean, it's nothing compared. Well, it's the habit, it's the consistency, it's the type of behavior that leads to success. It's very important to continue to nurture that. In this case, I have had a lot of personal expenses. I've spent a lot on very stupid things, one might say, but hey, I enjoy them. So that's why I've been doing a bit less saving. And that's gonna change. Some months it's gonna be huge commission checks and I can save a bit more. Some months I'm gonna book a bunch of travel and I will be able to spend, save less. That's just the circumstances of life. Anyway, that's been it for this video, doing a quick portfolio update here on the road to 100k. And as always, I hope you guys make a ton ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.